Publisher and designer Franco Maria Ricci and his wife Laura have been passionate about bamboo since the 80s, and when they decided to build a maze on their property in Fontanellato near Parma, this hardy, versatile and fast-growing plant was the natural choice. 200,000 plants from over 20 species on 8 acres brought Labirinto della Masone to life. As the Riccis discovered the many properties of bamboo, they sought to share them. In 2016, Under the Bamboo Tree was born, an event that includes conferences with international experts and expositions of products. The knowledge about the vast potentials of the species is spreading thanks to this initiative, which has become a yearly appointment. In 2018, the international design competition Bamboo Rush, in collaboration with AIB, the Italian Bamboo Association, and the academic institution ISIA in Florence, has further enriched the event. Labirinto della Masone is a world unto itself, a world to discover.